Sports and games. Sports and games play an important role in the life of students. They are not only a source of entertainment but also essential for maintaining good health and physical fitness. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. That is why sports and games are considered necessary for the development of both body and mind. There are two types of games: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games include table tennis, chess, and carom. Outdoor games include cricket, hockey, football, and badminton. All games teach us discipline, teamwork, patience, and leadership. They also help us learn how to face victory and defeat in life. Sports and games develop qualities like honesty, dedication, and self-confidence. Students who take part in games remain active, energetic, and healthy. They also perform better in their studies. That is why it is said, "All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy." Our schools and colleges should give equal importance to sports and studies. Proper sports periods, playgrounds, and sports teachers should be provided. Students should be encouraged to take part in games at school, district, and national levels. In conclusion, sports and games are very important for the physical and mental growth of students. We should all take part in games and keep ourselves fit and active. Moral: a sound body has a sound mind.